Hi, it's Friday and we are doing lesson 3. I hope you enjoyed the quad song. So we have finally got to the lesson where we actually go to use it. And in the previous lessons, some of those factorizing were very challenging. Just listen here. If you ever get a challenging question you don't know, just jump and use this quadratic formula. So jump from doing whatever they say. If they say use a completing square and you don't know how to do it, just use the quadratic formula. At least you'll give them an answer. And you won't get maybe the method mark, but you'll certainly get the answer mark. So today, mark off lesson 3. Go to the form which you have and listening to this, and go to lesson 3, the quadratic formula. So what we have is, quadratic formula. Let's see. Whoops. Here we go. Lesson 3. There we go. And it's exercise 5B. So Mr. Davin's done a video for you, and he's written some notes for your summary book. And just basically do those two things. As I say, it's easy to remember, especially when you have this quadratic formula sign, which actually focuses on that. So minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And be careful. There's a couple of tricks. When you want to cancel the 2 with some, you must cancel with both that and the constant that might be out the front here. All right. So, and the other thing is, on our return, we'll be doing the test in the second last week of term, which will be this topic. And as you know, it all uses a lot of the skills we were looking at in the algebra unit back in term 1. So have a good day, have a good weekend. Make sure you catch up with all your work, and we'll move on with more of the same. I think we're doing the discriminant. In actual fact, the discriminant gets introduced to you today as well, but there is a separate lesson to focus on that.